So I'd like to start out by sending out a happy Pappy Day. But hold on, today's video might interest the moms out there also. See you in a minute. So we're going to keep it short and sweet because we all got stuff to do. Now, I'm not sure how many of you guys know about my colossal failure with the company Steens and how their product almost helped me blow the engine of Sequoia. And rest assured, I have been in search of another company who would take care of our lawn care needs. And guys, I think I found them. It turns out a company by the name of HIPA contacted me and wanted to do a collaboration. And mama didn't raise no fools, so I think it's a great idea. And to start off, they sent me some chainsaw replacements that we're going to try out today. Now, there are tons of benefits of working with HIPA. One, their products are super reasonable and can be found on Amazon, so you know we'll have them in the Kachi Kids store. So I am informed HIPA, because I'm not a commercial cutter, that sometimes I purchase some of the lesser known name brands of yard equipment. And even to that, they scoffed and told me they could provide replacement parts. So let's go ahead and replace this chainsaw blade and let's see what she do. All right, HIPA. So I don't know what type of test you thought this was gonna be, but we got a nasty root down here. I was happy to see that the chain does come pre-oiled, but that wouldn't keep me from oiling my chain once I get it. See, this isn't even regular wood. So folks, with that, I'd like to thank HIPA for joining our family, and here's to a long and prospering collaboration between us. So you should already know, this is your boy Kachi's Kid, and you know I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace, ma.